Alright, so, what's up guys, and, today in this video I'm showing you, well, I know that a lot of you out there that have a ps3, it's probably saying, cannot start, that message, and you can't fix it. Well, I'm basically going to show you that, and I'm waiting for a second wire to come in that I have ordered. So yeah, well, for the first step is this. Okay, you're gonna need some wire cutters like this. Well, actually, this is to strip the wire. Once you gotta strip it, and wire cutters and a knife if you need to strip it better, if this can't do it. Okay, and what my PS3's hard drive, and this is a charger to my Galaxy Tab, so you're gonna need that basically. And what I have done is got the charger from, did this a few days ago. It was a charger that was for something, and then I just ordered on the 11th. I ordered a SATA, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is one that I used. It's a SATA you could get on Amazon for like $1, and yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. Or you could strip it from you could get these from a old Dell computer. Just don't do it just for this wire. You could get these on Amazon for $1.15. Yeah, so you're gonna cut the black side off. There it comes with two. Cut one of them off in case you need this one if you don't do it properly. Okay, and mine is basically already complete. Just get the wires, black to black. There's two blacks, put them together, and as you can see, the two blacks, put them together, and it goes to this wire right here. And then the red, you'll need the red to connect it to the red, and then the yellow, you can just cut that off like I did. It's cut off. And okay, and once you do that, put this down. Put that down real quick. Okay, and once you do that, you get this. You basically, what you do is basically you connect it like that, and you come over here to the end, and what you do is go over to your hard drive. Second, and what you do is you connect it like that. Plug that into the wall. And well, yeah, and then you get the wire that I'm coming in. I'll make a video on that. Should come in February 1st. Peace.